Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's board filter cards by date, the complete guide for 2025. Firstly, you need to open your Trello board. Click on the board you want to apply the filter to. This helps us because we need to be in the specific board where we want to filter our cards by date. Now that we've done that, let's click on the Show Menu option on the top right-hand side of your screen. The reason we do this is because the option to filter cards is located under this menu. Next up, we're going to click on Search Cards. This is where you'll type in your date or date range, such as due day for cards due today or due week for cards due this week. This feature allows us to sort our tasks based on their due date, making it easier to prioritize our work. Once you've entered your date or date range, hit Enter. You'll see your board instantly update to only show cards with the due date you specified. This helps us because it provides a clear, uncluttered view of the tasks we need to complete within the specified date or date range. Now, let me explain why this matters. By filtering your Trello cards by date, you ensure that you're focusing on the most urgent tasks first, boosting your productivity and efficiency. Before we wrap up, remember that to clear your filter and view all tasks again, simply click on the X next to the search bar. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello's board filter cards by date to better manage your tasks and improve your project management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.